guys. Breakfast tayo. New day, new vlog. Ano siya ng itlog niya. Dito mo banda. Yes, baka mahulog doon. Hintay ko lang si daddy para palit kami. Buti na lang itong hotel malapit sa dagat. So, patas mang breakfast. Paano tayo? Punta sa dagat at nang yung mga bata makalakap ng sariwang hangin. Pero kung naririnig niyo ako, may music. Good morning, ate. Kain, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Ating breakfast for today. Pancake. Nagkuha ako ng peas. Pork and beans. Beans lang pala, walang pork. Kamatis, sausage. Kain. Nandito tayo ulit sa may padagat. At nang makalanghap ng yan, sariwang hangin ng mga bata. Yan. Hindi na masyadong busy today kasi wala nang event. Kaya makahinga na siguro yung dagat today. wala na maraming bisita.
Alis na naman tayo ng sapatos.
Na?
Alis na naman tayo ng
Oh, syempre.
Talaga, tsinelas.
Yan ang nakalimutan namin. Walang tsinelas si daddy na dala. Kasing iniisip ko magdadrive siya. Hindi niya kailangan ng tsinelas. Nakalimutan ko na pupunta pala kami ng mga
Tinabi ko na rin yung sa harapan.
Kalimutan ko. Yung mga ibang guest ng hotel, nandito din sila. Napaka-importante kasi nito, no, yung mag-walking, katas kumain. Ito na ang the least na makukuha nating bundok dito sa Netherlands kasi ang Netherlands napaka-flat talaga. Wala kang makitang bundok-bundok dyan. Ano yan, parang barrier lang sa dagat. Lakad ulit tayo papunta doon para sa ating padagat for today. Ang linis ng daan, guys. Wala din masyadong sasakyan. Salamat naman. Yung mga bata may dala silang mga paper bag para sa mga shells. For sure yan. Wala mang auto snack. Don't worry. Alain fits. Stop. Kala mo talaga makikita siya ng driver. Kaliit niya. Let's go, let's go. Buti nagano pala tayo ng bike, Dad, oh. Ay, sabagay, si Kenneth pala. Di niya ma-enjoy kasi nakaupo lang siya. Si ate, ma-enjoy niya. Kung gusto niyong pumunta dito, nandito kami dyan sa may The Stern Strand Pavilion. Banda. Wala, guys, videographer talaga tayo for today. Ang daddy very supportive yan. At saka very go na go yan. Basta para sa mga bata. Mamaya yung mga jacket nila yan punong-puno na ng mga shells. That's for sure. Ana, wala nang ha? Wag na mag-expect ng mga burarol. Burarol yun sa Kapampangan, Saranggola. The smell of the sea. Wala na yung mga burarol. It's okay now. Ito pala yun. Ito yung The Stern Strand Pavilion. Restaurant yan, sure. Come on, Ken! Woohoo! We're here again. What? Where's Stitch daw? Wala na si Stitch, anak. Tapos na yung festival. Sorry? Ja, alleen maar spelen. Oh. Hindi tayo pwede mag-swimming. May warning pa at saka yan, masyadong malakas ang alon ulit. Paano lang natin sila, pa-feel lang natin yung dagat. Yes? Nitmir, yeah? Oh, umaraw na! Yee! Ang sarap ng tubig sa paa. Tubig dagat. Woo! Backward a little bit, Daddy. Backward a little bit. It's a big one. It's a big one. Wow, look at that. Basa na nga siya, basang-basa. Oh my! Oh my!
1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3, jump!
Napagod na ang ating Kenneth. Nagpakarga. Wait. Yes. Yes. Woo.
I love in the circus.
Yes, circus? No. By the sea. By the sea. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Oh. Yes. Yes, anak. Zoe.
Mommy.
Come on, Zoe. Stand up, please. Let's go back. Siyempre, nasa dagat tayo. Punta tayo ng aquarium. Nakaligo na tayo at nakaswimming tayo kanina sa hotel. Dumiretso kami dito para mag-enjoy ang mga bata sa mga isda-isda. Ooh. Come here, Zoe. Look at. Wow. There's Dory, Zoe. I saw Dory's. There, Dory's. And Nemo. Nemo is not here. There's Dory's. You can sit down here. You can sit down. Dory's. Let's look for Nemo. Sit down, Ken.
Daar, maar hij is gewoon andere kleur.
Sit down, Ken. Yes. Cute, na? Wow. Uy, kalaki niya. Wow.
Kijk zo, dat is heel groot.
There. Ayaw siguro niya sa ano maliwanag. Are you okay, Ken? I think you can touch it, Zoe. Oh no, you cannot touch it. Mga ano, stingray. Flatfish. Oh, look at that. Mukhang masarap yung mga yan, ah. Yan, oh. Flatfish. There's a little shark, Zoe. There's a little shark there. Wow. Ya magnet unwrap, Ken, eh? Is Kenneth okay? Are you okay, Ken? May. And what do we have here?
Zoe,
Sea anemone. There is where Nemo lives, Zoe. Those are the hirap, guys. Houses for Nemo.
see the crab?
There's a crab.
Crab?
There. There's a crab. Do you see that?
Ik kan niet zo ogen zien.
These are sea anemone. Ang ganda. Ang ano nila. Ang colorful. Ang ano nila cute. Do you see it? These are starfish as well, Zoe. Look, starfish.
Wat is dat?
That is sea anemone. This is the house for Nemo. Here as well, Zoe. These are different color. White and yellow. Wow. Saan yung next natin? Here or there? Ah, okay. Wow. Different shells. Guys, sama na lang kayo, ha? Sama kayo sa aming adventure for today. Mahilig talaga yan sila sa isda kasi sa aquarium nila. Seahorses. There's the seahorse. Do you see them? Oh, buntis yung isa, oh.
Where's the
Buntis
baby?
yung isang
Where's the
seahorse. Yeah, di na siya bawk.
Ik zie die is nog een beetje dik.
Nasa ano, nasa cage yung mga babies na seahorse. Beautiful, isn't it? That is seahorse. Ken? Can you say it? Horse. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Yes! Galing na. Ano? Bebe ko na yan? You wanna see the mama? I don't know which one is the mama. Ano mo ba alam yung babae at saka lalaking seahorse? Lalaki nak is the one who's with bigger tummy. Ay, sweet naman, oh. Sweet naman ang aking bembe. Wow. Ano sila, oh. Sea anemone pero glow in the dark. Ang ganda, guys. Ano sila, oh, nakaka-amaze. Wow. They are glow in the dark, darling. Wow. So wait, these are sea anemone as well, but they are glow in the dark. Hindi tayo nakakaalis, guys, ah.
Jij gaat eten. Jij gaat eten.
Sabi ni Zoe, kinain ko daw yan.
En jij ook.
Uy, kalaki, guys. Sarap ng itsura, B.
We can cook that and eat it.
Wow, yes, of course. But we can't eat it right now.
No?
But we will not eat it now because it's living. Dito sa kabila may puffer fish. Let's see.
Ocean ball.
Nasaan siya? Ayun. Ayun ang puffer fish. Zoe, we don't eat the... Oh, you can eat it, but it is a bit poisonous to eat.
I love that.
Bilis niya.
So colorful.
Pretty fishes. Parang alam nila na ano, oh, binibidyo sila. Wow. Ganda. Mag-enjoy mga bata dito, guys. Kung nandito kayo sa Netherlands. Ano kasi pangalan ng ano na ito, Dad? Ocean Sea Aquarium sa Bergen aan Zee. And here they have... Oh, they have sharks. Maybe they have sharks, anak. Oh, ang ganda niyan. Oh, albino.
Don't touch.
Don't put your hands inside. Ken? You can look at there. You can touch the fish. No? With the fish there, Ken? See ya? There. Do you see the white fish? Zoe, look at the white fish there. Do you see it?
That's like the eitjes.
Oh, itlog daw ito ng mga shark.
Bewegen.
Shark ba
Ze
yan?
bewegen.
Oh, yeah.
En als ze,
That's interesting.
als ze wordt groter, dan wordt ze dat.
Ah, ito siya. Some shark species such as hammerhead shark
En dat. Dat.
are viviparous. These species develop an embryo with a placenta just like mammals. Okay. Wow. It's moving, guys. Oh. Wow, amazing. Ano siya, nasa loob ng sack. Wow, galing. Lionfish, guys. Oy, ganda niyan, oh. Ang pretty lang. Wow. Ang graceful niya mag-swim. Nag-stop na siya, guys. Oh, para sa video. Oh. Wow. Mukha tong ano, mandirigma, guys. Oh. Wow. Nemo, Zoe. There is Nemo. Hi, Nemo. Yes, that one is the house of Nemo. Where's the baby? Wow.
Die is helemaal
Oh,
zwaar.
Steven, did you see Nemo, Ken? No?
Dus die
Lapit ikaw dito na para makita mo.
En ik zie het anekdote.
Do you see Nemo now?
En ik zie het nou aan.
Ay, Zoe, there's crab as well. Ay, ka-cute ni Nemo, guys. That is the papa from Nemo. Wow. Enjoy the video, guys. Nakaka-relax yung mga isda. Wow. Ang ganda nila. Zoe, look for the fish. Where's the fish, Zoe? Oh no!
Kill Nasya.
Di niya makita. Kijk deze. Oh no, that's the fish. Looks like rocks.
See?
See? Ayan siya.
Bijna niet open.
That's the one. See that?
That is called, Zoe, that is called camouflage. It's used by some fishes so that they will not be seen by other predators. That's a fish. It looks like rock. Right? That's how it is. Mukha nga naman siyang ano, galing. More fishes.
Dit is hetzelfde. Oh.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, say to me.
Then we go outside.